Hello everybody. Today is going to be a demonstration of my 50-inch Casablanca Delta 2 with a replacement motor in polished brass with white blades. These are not the original blades, I just love how the white blades look on brass fans. It came with a set of medium oak blades. There's nothing wrong with them. I just like the white ones on here better. It's a very clean appearance with the glossed white and the polished brass. But I got this fan for Christmas like 5 years ago now. Had an XLP in it. I don't know what was wrong with it, but it died. So at first I put a craft-made motor in it, and then that one died. So currently it's got a Hampton Bay Rockport motor in it, and I just screwed the flywheel onto the bottom of the motor. It actually works really good, like almost exactly how it would, just with a faster low, even though it's a Hampton Bay motor, which surprised me. Light kit's not original, came with a switch cap, but that was in bad shape. These light shades I got at a thrift store. The bulbs are LEDs. So there's the light, that's what it looks like. Quite like it actually. And I will be putting this fan up in my bedroom with 5 blades. This will be going up after the craft made. Go ahead and start up on low. Canopy is not original. It came with its hang true. I just don't like hang trues, and I can't use one on here because the screws don't have anywhere to go. So I just have to deal with it. It's fine by me because I got plenty of these cheesy brass canopies. Let's put one on there. The down rod is also not original. It's from a Hunter Brighton. Just drilled some holes in it so that it can mount to the Hampton Bay motor. And the way the motor housing is held on is kind of interesting. It's a cut piece of an outdoor ceiling fan blade with a hole in the middle. It's something. I did a lot of work and worked pretty hard on this fan to make it usable again. And it definitely is good. I like it. And the switch housing has just a big metal plate in the middle of it that's screwed in to the top of it. And since the Rockport's motor shaft is so long, I actually reversed it. Like the motor is upside down right now. I flipped the stator around, and the longer side of the shaft is just kind of like halfway into the switch housing, and the metal plate is on the inside there. It's hard to explain. I might show what it looks like on the inside, or that might come at a later date. But this fan is functional, and I enjoy using it. So the light looks like on low. Low's fast for my liking, but I've got the wall control in my room. This fan has a pretty nasty wobble because the flywheel isn't perfectly straight on the motor, and one of the blades is warped pretty bad up for some reason. Let's go ahead and take it to medium. What does the light on the phone look like? I need to get my lamp working again. Yeah, it's got a pretty bad wobble. With 5 blades, it's not that bad. I think this is about how much it wobbles on high. I can correct it, but I just don't like it. Wouldn't be worth it since this is a 4 or 5 fan. Bless me. I'm gonna grab a tissue. There it is on full medium. Moving very good air. So this, I feel like, is what you would expect this thing to perform like. But no, this thing is a beast. Don't know why, but it is. Also, the pull chains are not original to this fan. They are from, the fan chain is from a Panama 5, and the light chain is from a Mercury. show you the light on medium. I really like the tulip shades on this fan. They go well with it. Very classic looking fan. Alright, let's go ahead and take it up to high. So there's the wobble that it has. It's pretty bad. But it does move air still. Plenty of it. Very powerful fan. It performs just like a Casablanca, even though it's got a spinner motor in it. And the only thing that's noticeable that doesn't look right about it, one is that the shaft coming down goes into the switch housing and there's not a little spike up part on it. Two, the pull chains are like silver. That I don't really think most people would notice. The downrod is also not a Casablanca thing, and the motor hangs out of the housing a little bit. I can fix that, but I think it's fine like that. Since the flywheel isn't perfectly straight, I don't want to risk anything. So here's high, or here's the light. Whoops. I would probably have to use the LEDs in this thing when I put it up, because I don't want the incandescents getting shaken around too much. Should leave that on, and then go ahead and shut it off. Not going to show the spin down because I got to switch it over to 5-blade mode, so I'll be right back. Alright, here's the 5-blade configuration. I do like the 5-blade configuration better. So, here's the light. I'm going to go ahead and start up on low. I don't think the blades are in the same order that they were the last time, so we'll have to see what the balance is like. It appears there's only just one blade that's slightly warped up. Everything else looks decently aligned, so maybe it'll be good, I don't know. Slight motor noise to it. I mean, I can't expect it to be absolutely perfect. This is a modern Hampton Bay motor. Looks nicer without the glare of that light bulb. So light on low. Go up to medium. Starting to wobble just a tad bit on medium. I usually use the fans on medium. That's the speed they're most likely always on. And it's pretty tolerable on medium. There's barely a wobble. It's moving a lot of air. Here it is with the light on. Here's high. Watch this thing take off. That's a good fan. A crap ton of air. Here's the light on high. Go ahead and shut it off. I don't know exactly what year this fan would be from. I posted a picture of the serial number on my channel, but no one has responded. It might be from the late 90s or early 2000s. Since I had the XLP. I feel like it's from 2000. I feel like I decoded this one time. I feel like it came out to be from 2000. I don't know. Came with a 1 foot down rod too. I need to cut it up and just use it for the brass fans. It would really only be used for this fan. I don't have any all brass fans with a full size down rod except this one and my Hunters. For those ones you need this one because it's threaded. One of the blades is missing one of the screws, but I don't really care. So there's no information on the top from the, nothing, I didn't carry anything over from the Rockport. Because all the information you need to tell about this fan and everything except the motor is on the switch. And although it's not a genuine Casablanca fan, like it's a repaired one, I guess, it performs just like a Casablanca. Bearings in the Rockport are decent. I got the Rockport from one of my friends at a sleepover. I saw a ceiling fan in a dumpster and said I was going to go get it, and they said they had one in their attic that I could have too. I didn't get the ceiling fan in the dumpster. I took the one from their attic, which was this one. So, fan is stopped. That's going to end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching the demonstration of my Casablanca Delta 2 in white, or in polished brass. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.